Create an assignment so learners can easily submit their work. This tutorial shows how to create an assignment. To begin, from Assignments, click New Assignment. Enter a name for your assignment. Then, if applicable, define the score out of. Note, adding a score out of automatically creates an item in your gradebook. Enter the score. You can choose an existing grade item, or set the assignment to ungraded using the In Grades dropdown. Next, if applicable, set a due date. Select a date from the calendar. Enter instructions for your learners. You can also style the text or add attachments and links to your assignments. Further customize your assignment to fit your needs using the availability dates and conditions, submission and completion, and evaluation and feedback menus. Lastly, make your assignment visible. Click the visibility toggle. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Your assignment is now available to your learners. Create an assignment so learners can easily submit their work.